Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, if you need the application or software that can help you to create the animation for free on the computer, and if you would like to need it easy to install, and you can also create the animation from scratch, so you can consider this Krita as your bucket list. Well guys, introducing this Krita, so you can visit it by this krita.org, and you see the introduction here that Krita is a professional free and open source painting program, and it is made by the artists that want to see the affordable art tools for everyone. And as you can see that this Krita also available into the Windows PC, Linux, and also the Macintosh. So if you would like to try this Krita, then you can start to download it. And since I'm using the Windows PC, so you can click this Windows installer. And don't worry, because this installation process is quite simple and you don't need to put the certain secret number or the code to do the installation. You don't need it at all. And you can just follow the instruction, and don't worry, because the installation is quite simple, easy, and also fast. Maybe you will consume time maybe about 10 minutes, and after that this Krita will be ready to use, guys. So this will be the opening menu from this Krita, and after that you can click file over here to start off your project, or you can also click this new image, and this is the section to decide about the blank page of your project. So if you click this predefine, there will be a lot of options of your paperwork, from the none here until for this A1 until the US tablet size. And you can also select the orientation, whether that landscape or portrait, and you can also adjust the width and also height from the pixels until millimeters, and you can also adjust the resolution, and you can give the name of your project, and you can do the modification or modify the color here. And you can see this is the section to create the new document and also content, and also this is the template to create the animation in various format. This is for the comic template, design, DSLR templates, and also texture template. And for example, I will choose none here, and I will use this width and height to be landscape, and click create. Well guys, basically if you would like to create the animation, make sure you will see the animation timeline and curves down here. But if you don't see it, and it will not usually shown for the first time, don't worry, because you can still activate it, guys. So you can visit this window, go to the workspace and animation, and these two gonna be shown down here. Or you can also activate some, not only this animation timeline and curves, but also another tools. For example, you can go to the setting, go to the dockers, and you will see that this is animation curves and timeline is now ready to use, or are now ready to use. And you'll see this is the brush preset that already show over here and ready to use too, and the palette that contains and give you a lot of color spectrum. And this is the layer, and you can activate which one do you prefer. So if you would like to create the animation, so you can create it from the scratch. And for example, here you can start to create the ellipse. For example, here. And if you would like to move this object, so you gotta click this transform layer or selection tool and click this, and you can start to move it wherever you want. And for example, you can start to click this, give on the paint layer one, you can select this, it's kind of the keyframe to create the motion, and give the right click, and after that click this create blank frame. And after that, for example, I want to pop up another object surrounding this circle, so I start to, well, you can actually create the create blank frame here again, but maybe the object will not visible here. So maybe the trick for me is copy this keyframe, and you can start to, I will remove it first. And for example, I will start to copy it and paste it here. Paste keyframe. And after that, I will start to add another object. For example, I will put it here. And I will copy again. Paste here. And you can start to add it again. And you can also do the experiment here. For example, I will start to copy it again and paste here. And I will draw another line, for example, like this. And also I will copy this again and paste here, like this. And after that, I will set this keyframe as the, let's say, as a end time, and this will be the start time. And after that, you can start to drag it and play it. So this will be the simple and very first animation you can make from this Krita, and you can learn more and more, and I believe, guys, you can master to create the animation from this Krita. So don't forget to try this Krita, because this is beautiful and also very useful for you. And I hope this video also helpful for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.